RentPackage, the free advertising online rent management platform. Sign a contract online. Manage your tenant, manage your available house, and manage your rent collection. www.rentpackage.com.
Hello everyone, I'm Puck. Today I'm going to show you how to replace an anti-cockroach self-sealing floor drain. First, take off the cover of the old floor drain. Take out the new floor drain. The size is bigger than the old one. First, mark where you want to cut. To prevent things from falling in, stuff a sponge into the hole. Cut the tile along the marked line. Pry up the tile and remove the old floor drain. Keep prying until the new floor drain could fit. Take out the sponge and clean the floor. Mix the polymerized tile adhesive with water. Spread it on the pried area. Also, apply some on the floor drain. Tap the floor drain to make it stick more tightly. Smooth the inner side of the tube with some polymerized tile adhesive. Make it stick tightly to the tube. Wipe it clean with a wet sponge. Lastly, put the self-sealing part in. Put on the drain cover and it's done. There's also linear self-sealing shower drain. The effect of drainage is better. That's all for today.
This video is brought to you by RentPackage Technology.